Happy Sunday morning to our super traders that are short. Ralph Lorraine, RH. This was the first time we went short. We flipped it long. We hit resistance. It came down. We went up. We tested it. We added, in this case right here, the $300 put options on RH. Let's take a look at them once again, trader. Remember, we do everything for who? For you. Why? When we bought these at $17, they're now at $44 on Ralph Lauren. Retail is soft. Retail comes down more. We're going to be shorting a lot more of retail ETF. We're going to be shorting Abercrombie and Fitch, ELF. We got a number dealers. We got Lowe's. I mean, we got a number of retail stocks that are going to get created. Enjoy it. Sign up. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. Let us make you the money that you deserve. We know what you need. We also know that when we work together as a team, we make great decisions. And those are the decisions you need right now.